Right, hi everyone. So as you can see by the thumbnail, 2025 hasn't got off to the best of starts. I've lost some gardens and I'll get onto that in a couple of minutes time. But the sun's out today. I'm filming this on, I think it's the 5th of March. I haven't started my lawn cuts yet. I could quite easily have done. But I've still got a handful of one-off stuff that is kind of seeped over from the winter that I want to kind of sort out and get done first before the lawns kick off again. But it's amazing what a bit of something do. It doesn't half lift your mood, and I'm sure everyone feels the same. So this video, I'm going to just have a little chat about kind of 2025, what my kind of what I've done preparation wise going into a new season. Truth be told, it's not much. And kind of my plans for the year ahead and stuff like that. So hopefully you'll stick around. But I'll talk in a minute about these gardens that I've lost, because that's probably the most interesting part. Part and parcel as a gardener, it happens every year. You get some new ones, you lose some, but these have just all sort of seem to have come at once, and it's just a bit like you don't really need that going into a new gardening season. Right, so those of you who are watching who haven't started the gardening business yet, or you might have just started, I just want to bring to your attention design.com. So this is a platform basically that covers all areas of branding. So that's like your logos, your business cards, your leaflets, social media stuff. So that's all in one place. And I just want to quickly show you how all that works, and then we can get on to the gardens that I've unfortunately lost. So design.com is a logo maker that can help you make incredible designs in just a few clicks. You basically type in your business name and it will generate a load of ideas for you. Its design library is one of the largest in the world, but what sets it apart is the designs are all unique to design.com. So once you've seen a logo you like, you can edit the fonts, colours and layout until you're happy. But it's more than just a logo maker. You can also create, market and manage your branding, create social media posts you can stand out from your competition, which is so important, and that's what kickstarted my own gardening round. So with a 4.8 star rating on Trustpilot, it's well worth checking out, and don't forget to use the discount code below. Right, so thanks for staying with us guys. So this is the first time I've done a little sponsored video, and it's a sign that the channel's doing well obviously, but it really helps it grow. So yeah, so moving on to kind of the gardens that I've lost. So it just came kind of within like maybe, I don't know, it feels like a month of each other. So 6 lost in total, which is, you know, if you add that up, you know, these are fortnightly ones, so you're doing them twice a month. That's 12 jobs essentially, and it's quite a lot of money. I haven't totally worked it out, but it's at least kind of over the month, it's at least 400 quid. I've gained 3, which is a plus. Hopefully they'll work out. You never quite know when you get new ones, but they haven't obviously replaced them in terms of the monetary value. It's clawed a little bit back, and you know, don't get us wrong, like I got 10 gardens I think new last year, and I'm hoping, you know, once the season kicks off to get some more this year. But when you lose 6, it's like, oh my god. So basically 1 died, which is not very nice. 2 have gone into care homes, and 2 have moved out. What's the other one? Yeah, I think it was another care home. So it's unfortunate. I mean, I can kind of tell myself that no one just kind of got rid of you because you were rubbish. Sorry, there's a big van going past there. I hope you can still hear us. So yeah, it's just one of those things. It's the life of a gardener basically. Gardens come and go, and it's all about how you kind of generate, you know, new customers and get your new gardens in. It's par for the course. But basically I want to ask a question here. So everyone watching, if you are running your own business, what's the state of play like for you guys this year? How many of you lost, if any? Hopefully none. And how many new ones have you got in? Yeah, so in terms of preparation kind of for 2025, so basically I didn't need any more uniform. I got a new batch of uniform last year. I'm gonna deliver some leaflets, which I've still got. I've got loads from a few years ago, which I never got around to handing out. So I don't know. I'll do another video just to see if that's like of any benefit. It must be. Like it's getting the word out there basically. but I'm going to target some specific areas. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it'll be worthwhile and I'll get a handful of new customers from it. I think I need to get some more business cards, because I do hand them out quite often. And yeah, just serviced my gear. I've serviced all my own gear this year, so that saved us a few quid. I'll have some videos coming as well. The van needs a wash, so I'll have to watch that because it's a mess, really. You always got to try and look the part for your customers. And that's about it, really, in terms of preparation. Just make sure your gear is good, everything's sharpened and all that. And, I'm toying with the idea of buying a few extra bits of kit. The backpack blower, which I haven't had, it's more the winter when I'm doing leaf clearances that would really come into play. So I'm just debating what to do, because I have half a feeling I might have to replace my leaf blower soon, my normal one. I don't know whether to just kind of sell it second hand and then just buy a new one, so at least like it won't, I'll get some money back on it. Should really do that, but when it's working fine, I just think, well, I might go for another few years yet. Yeah, so pressure washing as well. I've done a couple of pressure washing jobs this week. So I'm debating whether to get back into that as well, because you can earn some really good money. It's just when all my lawn cuts start off, when you're doing that day in, day out, it's quite a messy job. They're quite big jobs, and have a really got time for that. I don't know. I'll have to see kind of how many customers I'm kind of left with, once I do lose these, and see how the state of play is maybe a month into the season, because you never know what's going to happen. So it's always an option as well, and it's certainly something to think about. YouTube, I want to just crack on with YouTube. Hope, let us know what kind of videos you're wanting. Put that in the comments. Any topics you might want us to cover, or could be anything. Obviously, I just want to continue to grow the business. I'm working kind of near enough full capacity. So I feel like it's at a level now where I'm comfortable with. Like, those 6 gardens that I lost, doesn't really matter. I've replaced them with a few. That's sort of fine. But it's never nice when you do lose gardens, especially like quite a few in quick succession. Let us know sort of what your plans are, guys. Have you started up yet? How long have you been going for? Do you want to start up? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.